Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your business insurance with Farmers step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current business insurance policy. Review the coverage options and limits you currently have. Identify any changes in your business operations or industry requirements. Gather information on your business assets, including equipment and property. Next, research Farmers Insurance and their various business insurance offerings. Visit the Farmers Insurance website to explore different policy types. Consider contacting a Farmers Insurance agent for personalized guidance. Prepare a list of questions regarding coverage options and costs. Schedule a meeting or phone call with your assigned Farmers Insurance agent. During your consultation, discuss your current policy and its limitations. Share any new developments in your business that may affect your coverage needs. Ask about additional coverage options that may benefit your business. Request a quote for the new insurance options that interest you. Compare the new quotes with your existing policy to evaluate the potential benefits. Consider the cost implications and budget for the upgraded coverage. Make an informed decision based on your discussions and evaluations. Once you've decided, complete any necessary application forms with your Farmers agent. Review the terms of the new policy carefully before signing. Ensure that there are no gaps in coverage when transitioning to your new policy. After securing the upgrade, update your records and notify relevant stakeholders. Finally, review your business insurance annually to ensure it meets your evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.